People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Me know what's enough found that one that look YouTuber walk one. Sunday we no see no video drop. Man a link me and say look YouTuber walk one. Look like top banks man they only and go so no. But no Sunday video no drop because that Sunday was supposed to be spooky. It was supposed to be the start of a new series, yes. A spooky series. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, look YouTuber me here, you say all kind of things spooky. What you really mean by spooky? A series where take a trip into the underworld. Me not just talk about underworld like Clansman and one other, cause you know say we have some serious intel, some serious source. If criminality operate in the underworld, this a world you're under that. Vile. Over the years, me hear all kind of Armanians and all kind of Irish Saxons that talk about this group and that group and who do what kind of ritual and who do all kind of stuff. And people look me one time and say, look what you about, what do you think about this? What do you think about that symbol there? Well, we now have the Man and One series. We now have all kind of series, but this one is going to be the spooky series. I'm going to tell you about some group where only thing you know about, I don't know nothing. Because when time I hear on the talk, I want to say, well, this mean that, and that show you say this unicorn mean. I'm going to break it down for the YouTuber style. Yesterday, there was going to be a special guest, I'm going to wait out, forget the okay. But then, the okay never came. And I finally hear back. So look YouTuber, I beg you hold out. Hold out the local YouTuber. Let me secure certain things first and make sure I'm there wherever you asked before. I do this. In this series, I don't just plan to tell you about the various groups and all kind of societies and all kind of cult operating within Ironman. Some of them even international and you have a little offshoot in Ironman. But this one, you have people who get caught in the cult have to take with themselves. And I make the look YouTuber know what I go on. Make the look YouTuber know what I go on. When time them did in-night. Yes. And I'm not normal guy. I mean I just talk about what you imagine a bunch of people in one room and do all kind of shit. I talk about it stretch gone and I talk about it stretch gone all not crime. All not human trafficking. Vile. So next week, I'm going to start that series. But I'm not going to start the series with a special guest. Instead, I'm going to tell them about some groups and then down the road, I'm going to hear what go on. If you don't know, the local YouTuber always prioritize the safety and source them. So if them say hold out, we hold out. But next week, we'll start the series. I'm going to break it down for you. With a group where often get confused for another one. When you think you don't know about this group, but already that group we're not talk about. It might sound a bit confusing. Might say, look, YouTuber is being vague. Purposely so. But next week, it's going to all make sense. Today, I'm going to talk about Jovi. Again. The saltiest man in a salt dome. You see him, Jovi, I'm telling you, say, man shot out in teeth in the hospital, a war of a woman. Before I go into that, I have some Patreon birthday shout out. Then I was supposed to drop in the video yesterday, the spooky video, but today I drop it. First one goes out to Drew. I'm not talking about the hill. Drew's birthday was the 27th. Like me and say, look YouTuber. You know you're a style already, you know. Probably on the weekend. Sunday I go drop. Well, Drew not even Sunday get for drop. Drew one of them people that more time link me and give me all some insight on all what go on at Uncle Sam place with the visa system. Personally, I always try to stay up to date with what go on. Not just with Ironman matters, but current affairs all around the world, especially the country them may have a role or have an impact on Ironman, like Uncle Sam. Some like when time people give me certain insight on what go on and Drew one of them people. So Drew, big up yourself. One more year on the sun. Wish you many more to come. That's Drew from the Patreon squad. Next up we have Kunda. Kunda's birthday was actually yesterday. You know the video I'm supposed to drop, me actually do the shout out already, and I said, Kunda, you're fortunate. So the actual shout out I dropped on your birthday. But as you know now, that video never get for release. But too late I drop same way. Kunda, big up yourself. And Kunda, no worry yourself. Me say send me a link then, I'll check it out. And time I check it out then, you make you know what I go on. So Kunda and Joe, big up on yourself. We could talk about Jovi, you know. Nothing jovial about Jovi right now. Does anybody know of a hospital that deliver pitney in a Salt Spring, St. James? Cause a must this so Jovi get delivered. No one man can salt. I telling you, say Jovi in a hospital lie down, itch up on all kind of machine. Remember say Jovi, let's just say when it comes down to papers, them thing not 180 degrees. But after everybody I said Jovi gone now, cause Jovi, police are hold on upon him, take him out of the hospital. Based on how Jovi reach back in Uncle Sam's place, when time in the hospital and police go do them inquiry and all kind of something. People must say, Jovi done for. Jovi gone. Time papers in the straight. It done this so. Only if you hear say, Jovi get for walk out of the hospital, Uncle Sam never hold on upon him, Ice never hold on upon him. Let's just say Jovi and him friend them do a little switcheroo when it comes on to certain details about himself. So when they go there, the man who them sip on paper is not the man who not supposed to be in the country. If you catch my drift. The man them Lego Jovi, people are like me, so look at you, but you say Jovi salt and Jovi are luckiest man in the world. All kind of people are saying me, oh you say Jovi salt and Jovi in a hospital with bullet wounds and all kind of something. Police get involved and then just Lego Jovi and then gone back on the road. That's not somebody with salt, that's somebody with lucky. Because Ice no hold on upon him, Feds no hold on upon him, him now go on the plane to get the porter yard. Feds them left him alone. When time I hear that, I say, hold on. Look like Jovi find one mineral in Uncle Sam's place. Me think some mineral only the iron man. They can wash off crosses like Jovi find the mineral in Uncle Sam's place. Oh, Jovi for lucky so. Police let him go. No detention, nothing. Him now go on a plane back at Iron Man, but him a shoot out 9 people in country and the street. Only if you hear Jovi back in a police custody. Police hold him with gun. Police hold him with gun, guy. No found the Irish socks and dopey bad. Don't know when cut on the losses. Take on a small victory and go dig one hole and hide somewhere. You don't know if to do that. This is what I've observed with the Irish Saxon. When Irish Saxons get away with something, them not tell themselves say, alright, that was a close call, time for me to lay low. No. They get even more emboldened. Them start push out them chest even more, them start to believe them are Teflon. Anytime an Irish Saxon get away with something, that is how 87 behave, you know. Them bust one case and them get away with something. And when time them touch back the road, them start push them luck even further. The name where them go see and the name of make him get that way. But Uncle Sam had other plans. You think say a little blagger boy can know something? Shoot out go on. How much people pick up, how much rounds, man end up in a hospital. All of this chaos take place. And you think say Uncle Sam just don't know what go on and now keep him eye on it. Remember Teletubby? When Teletubby them did have them madness in Florida, and I lick my boy, yo, if something they go so, then the police them that run in, the feds them that run in. Guy, and I saw Uncle Sam thing work. Them not run in right away. You think Jovi in and out of Uncle Sam place illegally? In a shootout, pick up rounds and give rounds. Lie down in the hospital. I want to look a piece of name for one paper trick the government. Them know this a dopey batya can't help himself. Police a watch Jovi the whole time. From him left the hospital. Guy. Up and down. Then just go feed man pick him up and hold him with the Matic. Them probably realize say, hold on. We'd have to go take whole heap of effort, find witness and all, get smart if you come forward and start him with that fire they going for real and all kind of something and then dig up the name and all kind of something. Here what you gonna do for your guy. We not go bother pressure you. This is how Uncle Sam treat dopey bat like Jovi. When you say your name, Rumpus Still Skin? So you're not Jovi, you're Rumpus Still Skin? Alright, Mr. Still Skin. Here what you do. Lie down in the hospital. Get better. We're not trouble you. We're not troubling you. Get better when you're done. Go on home, go live your life. Beat the feds. Start sing all kind of song. Used to pray for times like this to shine like this. Same start go on. Not knowing say Billy Joe run a corner rub on. Because them know this dopey boy going to deliver himself right now with hand. We want warn him with a Matic or 1 3-star ratchet. See them hold on pan Jovi. For a couple weeks now. Hold on pan Jovi, catch him red-handed with the Matic. Me telling you all the time, say Irish Saxons are like overgrown children. The same way Pitting is tough, also Irish Saxon is tough. Jovi get hold with gun. After shootout, go hospital, everybody thinks that Jovi get deported. Them use name trick and claim so them beat the system. Meanwhile, the whole time the system sit down and watch him. And just wait for the right opportunity. Remember say Jovi and such man now war. So tell all him work or them dead. Him father dead. People around him in a party get shot. And now police hold him with gun. Let me tell you something. Immigration guy. ICE guy. If you no go deport Jovi, make the Jamaican people know which flight you not put him on. That way, them can avoid that plane. Jovi is so salt. The Jamaican government should make a formal request that if Uncle Sam go dip him, make the Jamaican people know which flight. If it's JetBlue or Getting a Spirit, whichever one it is, make the Jamaican people know which flight Jovi I will go on. So them can cancel for them flight. Me no want to go on at the plane there. Nobody can assault the guy. Because that the plane there might go up and you saw the transmission stop work. Middle of the flight, pilot gonna come on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Just letting you know the carburetor on the plane just stopped work. Dog name on the supper. That's how salt Jovi is. That plane might go in the sky to carry Jovi back to Iron Man. And the carburetor might stop work. The crankshaft, the diff might stop work. I think Uncle Sam should just lock up Jovi in our institution. You know them places like in a Hannibal when they have in one room with those glass. They man have to stay far from civilization. Patron Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.